Welcome to this week's Fun Facts with Jack and Jesse. When coming up with this week's fun fact, we sort of thought about how every awkward conversation always starts or ends with the weather. So that's this week's topic, and Jesse is going to tell us a little bit about La Nina.
So, as I recently discovered, La Nina means little girl in Spanish, and it's basically the weather system, and it's the reason why generally you get areas of wet and cold, and that's La Nina, and then when the weather is usually hotter, it's La Nino. And we were actually talking about this earlier, and we realized that one of the reasons why we know so much about this weather system, because it's very complex, is actually due to the first Australian in space. And he actually laid the groundwork for a lot of the research that went into that, because when he was in space, he was able to take lots of photos from up in space of these actual huge weather systems. And that was kind of an interesting fact, because La Nina has just kind of finished, and even now it's nice and summer before we go into winter. So hopefully, while the weather is nice, people can go outside, and then as it starts to come into winter, I'm sure everyone will be inside studying, and so at least the weather will be nice for that.
Indeed.
See you next week.